Hi from Alex, and if you like what you just saw, today I will show you step by step how to make the same video, which kind of hardware you need, software, how to install it, and how to get the result. But before we start, we need a plan. So the plan is really simple. We need a video from the camera, and then we need to get this AI video somehow. So the first step will be to break down the video in a sequence of the photo frames. When we will pick one of the frame and add this to the AI system to make this a artistic photo or like frame of the video. When we will have this one and we will like the result, we will actually take this keyframe, what we like, and the rest of the frames that we want to modify and feed it to the another AI tool. And then it will produce us the whole video with this AI style thingy. And the last step will be just to put this in the video editor and mix it with the real one, and then add audio and some kind of visual effects. So let's start. You need a laptop, Mac, or Windows. Both works, but I like Mac because it's faster. And I always forget we need a model. So now when we have a hardware model, let's look at the software what we need to make this amazing AI video. Let's go. So according to our plan, we need to make a sequence of photos out of our video, and I will use VLC. You can find out really quick how to set the VLC, but in general you can just, if you just play the video in a quick time, it looks pretty good. But if you go and open it with the VLC with the proper settings, it will show you the video, but at the same time, as you can see, it will create a bunch of pictures with the names for each frame, and this is what we need. And we just need to pick the frame that we like the most and go to the step number 2. So the next step will be taking our keyframe, what we like, which is quite clear. You know, we see the eyes of the cat here. And then we will use tool called Stable Diffusion. I run it locally, but you can also use it in the cloud. And then we place this image here, make a prompt, magic fire tiger is looking far away, and then set the properties here. Adjust these two sliders so we want to get the results. I'm suggesting you just play it and you will see the difference. And now we have this quite fun AI generated image, and we will use it for the next step. Step number 3, we will use a tool called EbSynth. So what it actually does is take your AI generated images and apply it to all the keyframes that you set. So basically you select the key from here. This is the image where we just saw in the previous step. And then select any image from the folder that's been generated by VLC. Select the keyframe what we are working on and click sync. So what it will produce after a while, obviously, this kind of images. Yes, this looks not the best, but as you can scroll down and see it like more video style, you will see at some point, because we use this keyframe number 1306, it's become more kind of close to what we want. So when we have this one, we go to the next step. So next step, we need to assemble our sequence of photo back to the video file. So for this purpose, I use Blender. You have to use any software, but basically you place all the pictures here, click render, render animation, and then just watch this and wait, and it will be produced MP4 file, which we'll use in the next step. Last but not least, we have a CupCat editor for video. So here we have an original video, and here we have our AI created part. So what we are going to do is place the original one at the start. And when we got quite nice results, we will add on top the AI one, plus some effects like spark, also music, and then we get the final result. And now we go to the next step to see how it actually works for our Instagram account. So here we are with our cat account. And what I would like to show you here is we post different type of reels and test it out. This is quite regular one, so without any AI, but has some editing and stuff. But as you can see, it's like 1000, 1200. But this time we post this 2-3 days ago, and now it's already have 4300 and also 650 likes. So it actually works. So if you wanna stay tuned and understand how to use modern AI tools, please, you know what to do.